boy Adonis. I'm here. I'm back on the second video to make. Basically, today's video is not gonna be too interesting. You know, it's gonna be doing some pulls with the Civic Si, doing some pulls with it, burnouts, attempting to do the stunt again that I wanted to do, failed again. But there's more to come. You know, this video is just like snacks of what I want to do with the car, and besides upgrading it, making it faster, racing and autocrossing and circuit track racing, doing pranks and other stuff, vlogging, all that. Besides doing all that, this is just little snacks until little by little progress and I get better and back on track like I used to. So I hope you guys enjoyed these few clips that I got, and yeah, if you like the 10th gen content, subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, comment down below of what would you like to see me do. I have 2 cones right now, but I'm gonna get a few more cones because I want to do my own autocross type. I know we'll talk about that later on, but yeah, I have a lot of things in my head that I want to do with this car. But besides that, everybody drive safe. Everything I do is in the private roads. You know, nobody's there. I'm alone, or in the highway in Mexico. That's it. That's when you guys should do pulls or driving fast and all that. Is in Mexico on private roads. No in the streets where people could get hurt. No, I'm not about that. I don't like putting anybody in danger. I do things in the safest way possible. Safe is better. You're not gonna hurt nobody, and you just have fun in the right moments, not in the bad moments. Like, for example, today you're gonna see a clip that I have made explaining what happened. Basically, 2 old ladies drove themselves into a gate, bringing down a light pole because some crazy driver going fast almost hit them, and they had to avoid them. So they turned and hit the gate, and the guy didn't even stop to make sure they were okay. The guy just left, and then some lady was there trying to help. I think she was calling 911, but I stopped as well with Sophia to make sure they were okay, and Sophia also called 911, and I helped them out a little bit. They thanked me and all that, but I stood there until the ambulance came, and then I left once the police and ambulance came. But I hope they're okay, and that's it. Everybody drive safe. Subscribe to my channel, like I said, if you're new, and stay tuned because there's going to be more content to come, and I'm happy to be back.
Was it traction control?
Too much grip. I didn't get bad tires.
worse than the Honda.
There's more torque. Yeah, this car, I cannot get it to do 360.
Smell.
Let's do a third gear. Third gear, do like 30 to 60. Front of speed. It's gonna suck at 30 gear. 30 gear down. Let's see. All the way. I'm flooring it right now. Alright guys, look, this is why I was talking about you guys don't speed or anything because it caused an accident. I don't know if you guys can see that over there. We're gonna pass by anyways. The ambulance is here. Some guy in a white van was speeding and two old ladies had to avoid them. And so what basically happened, they tried to avoid the car that was going fast and they hit into a pole. The pole fell down, they hit the gate and the car's front end is destroyed. And it basically, one of them is injured by the foot.
She's on her feet right now.
Yeah. So yeah, don't speed. This is why I say private areas. That's why I drive private roads and do stuff in private areas where there's nobody to get hurt. Stay safe.